And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
The sky cam look behind me, some wet roads in Providence. There's been some snow mixing in with the rain here at the city, but at the station, I should say, and in the city. But really just kind of like white rain is all it's really been because the roads are mainly just wet. Areas north and northwest have had some very light accumulation on grassy surfaces. We're all going to switch over to just plain rain shortly. The temperature is a big part of the forecast. Obviously, low 30s stick out, near 40 southeast. Take the temperature you see here closest to your location, add 5 to 8 degrees. That's where you'll be at in the morning. So that's why we're changing over wherever it's been snowing, changing over to rain by, let's say, 1 o'clock in the morning. And then for the morning commute, it's mainly just rain and some wet roads, even though the snow outside has been kind of fun to watch. I'm not going to say that. It's going to happen. It happened at 11 o'clock at night, right? All right, temperatures tomorrow take off. After some morning rain, even some rumbles of thunder, winds will actually turn westerly in the afternoon. And the temperatures are going to take off. It's like the one day we squeeze out just a little mild air in the 7-day forecast where temperatures take off 50s to near 60. Once the rain shuts down, it's kind of just a cloudy and breezy afternoon. Same for you in southeastern Mass. Temperatures will take off in the afternoon to the 50s and 60s, the exception rather than the rule for the 7-day, but a milder day tomorrow, not quite as cold. Now, precipitation arrives sometime after 9 p.m. You see mainly green, but areas right along northern Rhode Island, a little mixing taking place. Pawtucket, East Providence, still a little mixing, but then you go south towards the coast and it's mainly just rain. There's been some accumulation closer to like Springfield. Like I saw a video in Southwick and it looked like it was a pretty decent, about 1 to 2 inches of snow that fell, and that's of course central Mass. And that's where the accumulations likely will be, besides a little coating in northwest Rhode Island. It's mainly central, western Mass, and then areas north get some snow. The rest of us from here on out pretty much turning over to all rainfall. And I mentioned there could be even a few little rumbles of thunder in the morning. So 11 p.m. Futurecast, it shows the radar that I just showed you. Pretty good replication of it. Maybe a little bit more south with the snow at 11, but nonetheless, it all starts to lift north, the rainfall, the warmer temperatures. You can see by 2 a.m., many locations are already in the 40s. And if you're not in the 40s, you will be by the time you get to 5 a.m. Some areas of the coast will likely be in the low 50s. And the rainfall is still coming down for the morning commute. A little rumble of thunder, and then by about 9 o'clock, any lingering showers will continue to lift north. A lot of clouds in the afternoon, but most of the rain is out and dry for the afternoon. Temperature's not bad, 50s to near 60 with the breezy conditions. Wednesday night, we clear things back out, and then we drop the temperatures once again. And the temperatures drop so much that by the time we get to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're running 4 days in a row, even with lots of sunshine, of temperatures that will be well below average. So no winter weather alerts for us, Rhode Island, southeastern Mass, but northern locations like Worcester County, some of the higher elevations, a winter weather advisory that extends back to the Berks, and also areas like Hartford, Connecticut. That's where there's been some accumulation and could be some slick spots during the overnight. The change over there will take a lot longer. For us, it's already happening and will continue to do so in the next hour. Once we get past that rain tomorrow, we got a nice day on Thursday, albeit a little cool. There'll be some sun and clouds mixed together, and then bright sunshine Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and let's take it right into early next week as well. But the one thing that should really stick out for you is that the normal high temperature this time of year should be in the low to mid 50s, and there'll be a few days, especially Saturday and Monday, it'll be a real hard time to get to 40 degrees during the day. That is well below average for this time of year, and those overnight lows are really chilly too. A lot of 20s in that forecast, not just for like the end of the week, but right into the weekend and even into early next week. A very cold air mass for this time of year. Nick?
Thank you, Jeff. Double feature for college